A donkey has an apple. That apple is rare. That apple is valuable. Now, every donkey starts growing apples. Millions of apples. Mountains of apples. What happens? Apples aren't rare anymore. Apples lose value. Yesterday, 1 apple got you a carrot. Today, you need 5 apples for that same carrot. That is inflation. More apples equals less value per apple. But what if no one grows more apples and everyone wants more apples, but the farmer doesn't grow extra? Guess what? The price of apples goes up, even without more apples. That is also inflation. Inflation means prices go up, or the value of your money goes down. Yesterday, $1 bought an apple. Now, you need $3 for the same apple. Your money is weaker, or apples are just stupidly expensive. Either way, your wallet cries. First, overproduction. Way too many apples. Value drops. Classic. Second, too much demand. Everyone wants apples, but production stays the same. Price goes up. Simple. Third, costs rise. Fertilizer costs more. Shipping costs more. Labor costs more. Farmer raises apple prices. We all pay more. Fourth, expectations. Everyone thinks apple prices will rise. The farmer raises prices in advance. Shoppers panic buy anyway. Collective paranoia. Demand pull inflation. When everyone wants more apples but there aren't enough, prices skyrocket. Straightforward. Cost push inflation. When making apples cost more, prices go up to cover it. Built-in inertial inflation. When prices rise just because they always do. We expect it, so it happens. A weird tradition. Monetary inflation. When the government prints too much money. Now there's way more cash, but the same number of apples. So, more dollars chasing the same apples equals prices explode. So, next time your groceries cost more, or your favorite apple juice is like $8, just remember, it's not you, it's inflation. Blame the apples, blame the system, blame whatever makes you feel better. But hey, at least now you get it. Like, follow and subscribe before apples cost $100. Peace out.